In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Canva to access your creative assets efficiently. This process is extremely useful if you're looking to streamline your design workflow by integrating your Google Drive directly with Canva. Let's get started by heading over to the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Apps. Clicking on this will open up a broad selection of integrations available with Canva, each offering unique ways to enhance your design process. Now, let's move on and search for Google Drive. In the search field within the Apps section, type in Google Drive. This will bring up the Google Drive app in the search results, making it easy for you to click and proceed with the integration process. Selecting the Google Drive option will guide you to a straightforward setup workflow where you will begin connecting your accounts. The next step involves linking your Google account to Canva. This is a crucial step because this is where the actual integration happens. By clicking on the option to connect, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account if you haven't already done so. It's important to ensure that you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you handle multiple accounts for different purposes. Once you've confirmed that you're using the right account, you'll be guided through the process of granting Canva permission to access your Google Drive. This typically involves approving a series of permissions that allow Canva to view and use your selected files. Remember, this process is safe and secure, ensuring that your data remains protected. With the integration now set up, all your Google Drive files will be accessible directly through Canva. This means that any photos, graphics, or documents you have stored can now be easily incorporated into your Canva designs without the need to download them first. To make the most out of this newfound capability, take some time to explore how your assets appear in Canva and try utilizing them in your projects. This could be anything from using high-quality images stored in your drive to easily pulling in important brand documents or templates that you regularly use. As you familiarize yourself with the interface, you may find it increasingly beneficial to organize your Google Drive files efficiently for even faster access. Think about setting up specific folders for design-related materials that you frequently use in Canva, ensuring your workflow remains as smooth as possible. That wraps up our guide today. By connecting Google Drive to Canva, you've taken a significant step toward enhancing your design efficiency. Enjoy the streamlined experience and take full advantage of this powerful integration to elevate your creative projects.